Hey, what's up guys? And today there is a huge snowstorm. The powers went out a couple of times already and that scared me. And I've been losing my internet connection. That's so annoying without no internet. Trust me. There's like this huge snowstorm. Here guys, I'll show you through the window. Oh my goodness. I will bring you down. Like, oh my god. It's such a big snowstorm. So huge. Snow's all over the windows. Not all over it, but look how white that is. It's so huge. Hold on. Snowstorm's so huge. I'll even show you. I'll even show you from the door.
Look at the window.
I know. That's what it looks like outside. So white everywhere. My dad's truck is covered with snow. Guys, let's get back inside.
Yeah, and the trees are covered with snow.
That's how bad the snowstorm is. My power went out like 15 times. Well, not 15, but 5 or like 10 times. So scary. And if it goes out and doesn't come back on, then that's going to be a problem. A humongous problem. And yeah. Guys, I'm scared for the snowstorm. And I'm just really scared. I don't want anything to happen to my family. I don't want anything to happen to my little sister, my mom, or my dad, or my whole family. I don't even know how it's like in the country. What happens? I hope my grandma's safe in the country. But it's probably worse than here. I do not like snowstorms. They're just really scary. I'll see you in a sec. So yeah, I'm just really scared. Guys, we are back and it's just really scary. My whole family's scared. I'm shaking. Look at this. Like, I am so scared, and sorry for the background, that's my sister. My mom's scared, my dad's scared, I'm scared, my sister's scared. And it's really bad. I hope it's over with. I am so scared. Really scared. I'm really scared, and here's the dream catcher I got. I got a dream catcher. I just like to hang it up. It's so scary when you have a snowstorm, because if your power goes out and you don't have any flashlights, then that's just scary, plain scary. And my family knew this was happening. If our power goes out all the way, there's gonna be nothing to do. Not even, since this doesn't connect to any cords, it won't go out, but I'll definitely lose my internet connection. And that would be really scary, but yeah. I need to get something. Be right back. I'm back, and I just got the thing that I needed. And yeah, I'm just really scared. It's cold in the house. I don't even know why I'm wearing short sleeves. But I hope you guys are safe. And I hope you guys are safe, healthy, and yeah, I just hope you guys are safe. And I know I said that a lot of times already. I just really hope you guys are safe because this is a bad snowstorm. My parents can't even go to the garage. What's better, snowstorm or heat wave? Say in the comments down below. But I'm voting heat wave. Because snowstorm, power goes out. Heat wave, power can go out, but not so much. And plus, if it was a heat wave, you'd be able to go swimming. But snowstorm, no swimming, staying inside, being bored with nothing to do. Guys, I am scared, so I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll see you next time. Peace.